Inflorescence in Graminy is spike or panicle, each spikelet with 2 to 5 flowers enclosed in a pair of bracts called glooms. Now, inflorescence in case of Graminy, it is a type of racemose where sessile flowers are arranged in acropetal order. Now, if you look at the inflorescence here, these are two large structures. We call them as bracts. It is referred as glooms, and these are individual flowers. If you look at a single flower, now this single flower has scale like structures. We call them as palliae and lemma, and these are scales. The lemma is a larger one and palliae is a smaller one. We have a male part, anther, stigma, that is the female part, and we have lodicules, which are actually represent the perianth. So this statement is a correct one. Capitulum or head in composite consisting of bisexual disc florets at the center and unisexual pistillate or neutral flowers or florets, ligulate, that is tongue like structures at the periphery. So these are the ray florets. If it has a female part, it will be a female flower, or it may be neutral without any male and female structures. So it has a bract, it has a calyx made up of pappus, we call it, and this is the petal, which is ligulate, tongue like structure, therefore it is referred as ligulate, and this is present at the periphery. The disc floret, which is present at the center, has ovary style stigma, it has an anther, it has a bract, petals, and pappus in the form of calyx or sepals. It is present at the center. So this is also a correct statement. Solitary cyme, single bright colored flower at the terminal end in Malvaceae. So in this case, cymose, where there is a single flower which ends in the it is present at the terminal region. So therefore it is referred as solitary cyme, and this is the hibiscus flower, which is the best example, which has epicalyx, calyx, this is the petals, androecium and gynoecium. So solitary cyme is the type of inflorescence. Papilionaceous flower with an irregular butterfly like corolla is a feature of leguminosae. So if you look at leguminosae, the flower, pea plant or any of the leguminosae members, if you look at the flower, that corolla is referred to as a papilionaceous corolla, where we have a large petal, it is called a standard, within which we have two smaller petals, we call it as wing, and innermost we call it as keel. So standard, wing and keel, such type of flower is referred as papilionaceous flower. So in this case, all the four statements are correct. So the correct answer in this case is D.